Now, joining me now live to dive a little deeper into the topic is AHN pediatrician Dr. Ned Katayer. Thank you so much for joining me tonight.
Thanks for having me. I'm happy to be here.
So the first question I'm sure everyone's wondering is, how can Pfizer say with certainty that this vaccine is safe for children ages 5 to 11?
Well, the company has done the studies. The studies have been underway for several months now. They studied more than 2,200 children who received, many of them received the vaccine, and they used a smaller dose than is given older children, teenagers, and adults. And what they found is that the immune response from this vaccine, even at a lower dose, is extremely effective in preventing COVID. In addition, the side effects seem to be a bit less as well. But the immune response was very robust, and that's very, very good news.
Are you at all concerned, or maybe I should ask, what is the significance of these results not yet being peer-reviewed or published?
It's part of the process, and this is the first step. We are responding to a company announcement. Pfizer made an announcement today saying that their vaccine is safe and effective for youth between 5 and 11 years old, in the same way it's effective and safe for people who are older. So now the data goes to the experts. It goes to the public health experts, infectious disease experts. It goes to the folks at the FDA and the CDC and the American Academy of Pediatrics, and they will look at the data. They'll scrutinize the data, and they will make a decision on whether this vaccine should be approved for emergency use in children between the ages of 5 and 11.
Because that was the main argument I was reading today of people saying, well, this is a press release out from Pfizer. They're saying it's safe because it's theirs. And some people concerned about what those next steps are and how much scrutiny it's really going to get. What differs between this vaccine for kids and the Pfizer vaccine for adults?
The only thing that differs is that they used a lower dose in these younger children. About a third of the dose that we use for older children and adults. So in older children and adults, we use 30 micrograms. 10 micrograms were used for this study in children between the age of 5 and 11. And the good news is the immune response was still very brisk and very, very good. And the side effects seem to be a bit less.
Do you think this opens up more conversation for children even younger, down to 6 months old?
Those studies are underway as well, and we're hoping in the next couple of months those results will be available to us. There's really no reason to believe that the vaccine won't be effective or safe in younger children. But again, we need to do the studies. We need to prove that the vaccine is safe, that it's effective, and more importantly, it's important that parents have the confidence by looking at these studies to know that it's safe to give their children these vaccines. And that takes time.
Right.
So, hopefully by the end of the year, beginning of next year, there will be announcements about the vaccine becoming available to children down to the age of 6 months.
Okay. Well, Dr. Ned Katayer, thank you for your time tonight with AHN. We appreciate it.